Alright, first step to the offset pull out. Use your hood mirror. You want to get the equal amount of space on both sides. So watching the yellow line, you want to get the same amount of space on both sides. The next thing you're looking for is your lens reflector on the side of your trailer to get lined up with that cone right there. And I'm going to take you outside and show you what it looks like outside. Alright, so in the mirror, it looks like that lens reflector inside your trailer is lined up with that cone, but also it's going to look like that tire is about 4 feet behind that cone. So when you're looking in the mirror, it's going to look totally different versus what it is out here. Okay? But this right here is what you're looking for right here. You're looking for this right here. Once you see that, then go ahead and pull on out. And when you're ready to go ahead and pull on out, all the way to the left, as far as it'll go. And you want to pull out, and I'm going to show you what to look for next. Alright, so after you have turned to the left and you pull it out, so you're kind of looking in your West Coast mirror. You're looking for that front trailer tire to get right there at the dotted line. You also can look out your window and see it as well, just like that. I'm gonna step outside so you can see what it looks like outside the truck. Alright, so this is what it's gonna look like outside the truck. It's not on the line yet, it's right there to the line. Okay, so once you get to that point right there, what you want to do is go ahead and turn back hard right, so that way you can get straight. So as you're getting straight, what I want you to watch for is this side of the trailer. Watch for this tire, and we're going to get it all the way up to that dotted line. So let's go ahead and get straight first. Alright, so when you look in your West Coast mirror, you should only see the side of your trailer right there, okay? So now I am perfectly straight. I've actually turned my wheel to the right to get to this point. So my wheel's turned all the way to the right. So once you have gotten straight, go ahead and turn your wheel back straight, okay? So you can look outside the window if you need to make sure the wheel is straight. Make sure the wheel is straight. So what you're going to do here from this point is you're going to pull forward straight, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and get out and show you where the trailer tires are at right now. Alright, so we are straight. So what you got to do is, once you get straight, your trailer tire is going to be way back here, okay? We need to pull the trailer straight up till that front trailer tire gets to this dotted line, okay? You're gonna be looking for that in your West Coast mirror. If you start turning right now, if you hold it right, what's gonna happen is that trailer tire is gonna run over top of this cone right here, okay? You don't want that to happen. You don't want to start turning right for that trailer tire to come on top of that cone. You want to pull it out straight, get that trailer tire to that dotted line, then go back to your right, and I'll show you what else to look for after that, okay? But right now, after you get straight, straighten that wheel out on your truck and pull it straight up to where that front trailer tire is to that dotted line. So looking in your mirror after you have pulled up straight, this is what you're gonna see in your mirror, okay? Notice you can see a little bit of the tire. You can't see the whole tire, but you just want to get it right there to that dotted line, okay? I'm gonna take you outside and show you what it looks like outside the truck. Alright, so we have pulled up successfully. So if you're outside the truck, this is what it'll look like. Now, the inside tire is fine. That's over the line, okay? But you can't see that in your mirror. What you see is this tire right here, okay? So you want to get it right there to the line. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn hard right. So in your convex mirror, you cannot see this side of your box. You can see this in your convex mirror. You can see all this in your convex mirror, but you cannot see that right now in your passenger convex mirror. You cannot see your whole box right there because the back of your trailer is covering that box. So as you turn hard right, the back of your trailer is going to pivot, and once you see the whole box, that's where you want to go back left. So right now we're going to turn hard right to make our trailer pivot this way, okay? So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so looking in your convex mirror, now you can see that orange back there. Those are the two big orange cones that we have, and you can see the whole box in your convex mirror, okay? That's what you're looking for as you're turning back right. The trailer has pivot out, so that's what you're looking for. So once you see that, that's when you want to turn the wheel all the way to the back, to your left. And then you want to line up on this side of those two big cones. You want to get straight, okay? So as you're doing this, you want to watch your West Coast mirror. You want to get yourself straight with your trailer, truck and trailer straight, and also straight with your box. Now let me take you outside and show you what it looks like outside the truck. Alright, so this is what you're going to see out. If you're standing outside the truck, this is what you'll see right here. Okay? So those two big orange cones back there is what you're seeing in the mirror. So once you see that, go ahead and turn your wheel to your left. Get back straight, okay? Because you want to get this truck and trailer straight, so that way you can be parallel with your box right here. So now let me go ahead and pull up and get straight, and I'll show you that we're going to be parallel with this box. Alright, so this is what you're looking for. You're looking to be straight, truck and trailer straight, and you're also straight with your box right there. So as you go back, you can set up perfectly with that cone at the front of your box, okay? And I will explain that cone in just a second, and I'm going to show you in the mirror what you should look for in the mirror so you know you're straight with your box here. So when you're looking in your mirror, this is what you should see down the side of your trailer, and you can see how we're perfectly straight with our box. Our trailer is perfectly straight with our box sitting in our driver's seat here. Okay, you don't see nothing on your driver's side. Your driver's side is pretty much a blank field. There ain't nothing out there, okay? So you're not really worried about the driver's side. You're so much worried about the passenger side, making sure that your truck and trailer is completely straight. And as long as you can see down both sides of your trailer though, you know you're straight. So now, after you have pulled out, that is the end of your third maneuver, okay? Your fourth maneuver will be starting to back up to that cone, okay? Now I'm going to show you what to look for as you back up to that cone.